Victory is everything. You can spend the money, but you can never spend the memories. Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. Success is not permanent and failure is not fatal. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Before you can win, you have to believe you are worthy. I believe success is achieved by ordinary people with extraordinary determination. Accomplishment like life will prove to be a journey, not a destination. Your success and happiness lies in you. Resolve to keep happy and your joy, and you shall form a invincible host against difficulties. Ideas are the beginning of all achievement. Some of the best lessons we ever learn are learned from past mistakes. The error of the past is the wisdom and success of the future. We win by tenderness, we conquer by forgiveness. We have 40 million reasons for failures, but not a single excuse. If there exists no possibility of failure, then victory is meaningless. Develop success from failure. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. Expect victory and you make victory. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Failure makes success so much sweeter and allows you to thumb your nose at the crowds. Success is how high you bounce when you hit bottom.